I would have been fine. I'm not a child.
I might be small, but I am not weak. I haven't known you for more than half a minute, and you're already within my circle of disliking.
No, it's fine.
I mean, they're happy, right?
I'm happy too.
Let's go, Berlin. Please, just let go. Don't even think about it.
They wouldn't let me play tag with them. They said I was too small, and that they might step on me. Look, I found a shiny thing. Look how pretty it is.
What have you become?
I have watched his progress so far, and have therefore helplessly observed as his sanity began to drain. I can no longer do anything to stop him. I do not ask for you to forgive me. I only ask that you stop and you listen to me. May the rain wash all the hate and discomfort away from your peace. No, sorry, sir. Please, do not listen to me. I beg for your forgiveness. Yes, I would like that very much. Oh, thank you, miss. Please, Pip is just fine. You don't have to. You don't have to do that. I can do it myself. Please, I don't want any trouble.
Everybody's gonna be eating a full share tonight. We had a heavy load in from today's hunt. It'll be all right. I'm sure of it. Just wait and see. I can't come to terms with it. How did this happen? What? They're heading up the ice peaks, where the Northlanders are?
Is it? Could it possibly be? I saw 2 butterflies flying together today, Mama. They were real pretty.
It's finally time. Oh, but what to do afterwards?
Wake up. Please, wake up. I beg of you. I can't do this on my own. Please, come back.